I just like to discuss the relationship between force, work, power, and energy. So force is equal to mass times the acceleration. Where mass is in kilograms, acceleration is in meters per second squared. Now, if you combine the units, so kilograms times meters per second squared, the unit will be in kilogram meters per second squared. Now, kilogram meters per second squared is also Newton. Now, so force can be a unit is Newton. So now for work is equal to force times distance. Now, force, we have already discussed, is newtons. Distance is usually in meters. So if we combine, work will be Newton meter. Now, Newton meter is also joule, which is also a unit of energy. But for this case, it is a mechanical energy. It is a force that can move an object a distance of 1 meter, so joule. Now, power is work divided by time. So work is in joules, like as we said in here. Now, time is in seconds. So power is in joule per second. Joule per second is also watt. So it could be in watts. Now, energy, slightly different topic. Energy is power times time. So energy is power, which is in watts, and time, which is in seconds. So energy, if we multiply power and time, the unit will be in watt second. Now, if we change watt to its original unit, watt is joules per second, so we can change watt into joules per second. So if we multiply it by second, second will cancel out, leaving it by joule, which is also energy. Now, this part could be still be confusing at the moment, but I just want to emphasize the relationship of force, work, and power.